I'm going to give you a room tour of the newly renovated Allure for a family of 5. Budget Baddie edition. I have my whole travel agency, Travel Family, making sure I got the best deals at no extra charge. And they came through at over half off of what I was recently quoted. So we came in here blind, not knowing what we got, and we ended up getting a porthole view, which for this budget, absolutely amazing. Let me give you a room tour of exactly where we're going to be sleeping for the next week as we sail across Europe. Here's where the front door area, I am by the porthole for better lighting, but this is a sofa that turns into about a full to queen size bed. It is pretty big. I do like having the transition of a sofa into bed because we do have more walking room for when we need to get ready throughout the day, and we can easily push it back. The stewardess does come in and he does that for us, which is great. And then if you look on top, this is what makes this room so much more budget friendly. It's not a suite, but can fit a lot of people. This actually comes down into a bunk. So I do have a little one who's going to be up there, but I've seen a full adult sleep up there. So we have 2 down here, 1 up there, and then mom and dad are going to be right here. This is definitely a typical cruise room, just with a added bunk bed, which are usually very difficult to get, but my travel agency came through and got this at such a lower rate, and they were able to get 5 of us in here, which is, again, very hard to do. I cruise a lot, and that is hard to do. So we also have a desk area with a TV, and there is a mini fridge down there. Here's the closet area with the safe. This is more typical. If you've been on Allure Seas, this is what it normally looks like. Now, if you've been on Allure Seas, you're probably like, this room looks and doesn't look any different for a $100 million renovation. The renovation mostly went to the outside. So it's going towards the pools, the restaurants, the main fun areas that you want to. I've been on this ship, I think like 10 times. And my biggest concern was the pools were not great, the kids area wasn't great, and they fully renovated it. So this might not be my favorite ship just because of the budget aspect of where you can get a giant ship for a lower price. So she's a contender for might being my favorite ship. Now going into the bathroom area. Again, very typical. It's a cruise bathroom. We have a circular shower and then just, the usual. And this is what it looks like once everything is unfolded. The stateroom attendant does everything for you in the morning and the night. So the 2 kids are gonna be down here, which definitely could fit 2 adults. And then we have our youngest is gonna be on top. So this is how all 5 of us are gonna fit in one room. No big deal. Make sure you hit that follow button because I'm going to be giving you short form and long form content on everything cruise ship, but especially Allure while we're here for the next week. And if you're looking for your own Budget Baddie cruise, make sure you hit that link in bio. I have a whole travel agency ready at no extra cost to find you the cheapest and best deal and maybe some added perks. So make sure you hit that link because there's a lot more coming.